Hello viewers, in this video we will be learning about Supertrend indicator. As its name suggests, it's a super and easiest technical indicator, and it is very useful especially if you are a beginner. If you are an intraday trader, it is very important that you monitor and understand the patterns of market trends and create a trading strategy. The Supertrend indicator is one of the simplest that makes it much easier to rely on. Based on the strategy for a particular day, with the help of this indicator, you can locate precise signals to buy or sell. Intraday traders can use this Supertrend indicator to make their decisions quickly, since it can provide the analysis for a particular stock within a few seconds. This indicator is similar to moving averages, but it can be used on multiple timeframes to generate entry and exit signals. Supertrend is a technical indicator that allows you to identify trends and provides you with both buy and sell signals. It may be applied across different timeframes, just like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour, although you may note that a smaller timeframe may lead to a higher frequency of signals being generated. It usually alternates between two colors, green and red, indicating whether the trend is uptrend or downtrend. A buy signal is generated when the supertrend is plotted below the closing price and the color switches from red to green. Conversely, a sell signal is generated when the supertrend is plotted above the closing price and the color switches from green to red. This indicator works on only two parameters, period and multiplier. Most traders usually use 10 periods, average true range, and 3 multipliers. ATR plays a crucial role in this indicator since it is used to compute a value, and based on that, the degree of price volatility can be tracked. But do remember, this strategy cannot work very well in sideways market. It may give you false buying and selling signals, thus, your stop loss may hit so many times, so suggestible to use this indicator in uptrend or downtrend only. Now let's coming to important part of video. That is Supertrend strategy in trending market. But before going forward to the strategy, be sure to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more knowledgeable videos. Now look at this chart. We have placed Supertrend indicator in chart. And the default setting of Supertrend is 10 ATR and 3 multipliers, but for more accurate trades you can change ATR to 14 length. We will be using 14 ATR here for more accurate trade. Kindly note that many traders uses Supertrend indicator in wrong way. What many traders do is, they buy when Supertrend become green and sell when Supertrend become red, or simply buying in bullish crossover and selling in bearish crossover. This wouldn't be enough to get your trade more accurate. We have to use more indicator along with it. We can use two Supertrend in same chart with different settings, which will give more accurate result, but instead of using same indicator twice, we will add RSI along with it. So, we can get buying and selling indications with two different indicators. As you can see here, we have added RSI along with Supertrend indicator. Now let us watch for buying signals from Supertrend as well as from RSI. Now first look at RSI. We will not buy an oversold level or below 30 level. We will wait for RSI to cross 50 level in RSI and bullish crossover in Supertrend. See, at this point bullish crossover happens and RSI is above 50 level. Now watch carefully for our entry candle. We will buy at a candle which give closing above the high of our crossover candle. And you can put a stop loss at low of your crossover candle. So if you had bought at this point you would have generated a good profit. But do remember, we can buy at bullish crossover in Supertrend and oversold level in RSI. But the problem is, your stop loss could be hit many times in that. Because 30 to 50 level in RSI will be more volatile than 50 to 80 level. So if you clear about buy trade, we should continue for sell trade. For sell trade we have to wait for bearish crossover and RSI to touch at overbought level, or we can say RSI to reach at 60 to 70 level. So as we can see here, RSI is at 70 level, so there is a strong possibility of down trade on a way. Now we wait for our entry candle. As our entry candle is very important part of our trade, whether it is buy trade or sell trade. Our entry candle should be where RSI is reflecting back from overbought level and reaches below to 50 level. So at this point we should watch for sell trade. And our entry candle would be the candle which closes low below to our crossover candle. So this would be our entry candle, and you can put a stop loss at higher high of your crossover candle. So, if we had bought here, we could have generated more profit as price continues its down trade journey. Let's take one more example of sell trade. As you can see in this chart, bearish crossover happens in Supertrend and RSI is going below to 50 level. So we should look for sell setups only. Our entry candle would be the candle which closes below to the crossover candle, and your stop loss would be the higher high of your crossover candle. So I hope you all are clear about buy and sell trade with Supertrade strategy along with RSI. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit like button, and for more knowledgeable videos subscribe to our channel.